Welcome back to our cozy kitchen.
Today we are making a comforting mushroom meatball noodle soup.
Starting our clear, savory broth. Bringing the broth to a gentle boil.
Skimming carefully keeps the soup crystal clear.
We will let this simmer slowly. Now let us prepare our meatball filling. Wood ear mushrooms add a fantastic crunch. Mincing a few shiitake mushrooms for deep flavor. Chopping them very finely. Shallots are essential for the perfect aroma.
Mincing the shallots beautifully.
Starting with our smooth pork base.
Adding all those flavorful mushrooms.
In go the fragrant shallots.
Plenty of black pepper for warmth. Seasoning it perfectly.
Mix it vigorously so the meatballs become bouncy.
The texture is perfectly elastic. Let us prepare the soup base. Touch of oil.
Frying the shallots until golden.
Sautéing the whole mushrooms makes them incredibly rich.
Just a quick toss. Adding them straight to our clear broth. The broth is looking amazing. Time to make the meatballs. Rolling them into bite-sized pieces.
Gently dropping them into the hot soup.
The broth cooks them instantly. When they float, they are perfectly cooked.
Look at how bouncy and delicious they look.
Our broth is completely ready.
Turning off the heat.
Preparing our noodle bowl.
Adding our tender, savory meat.
Arranging the toppings beautifully. Now for the star of the show.
These meatballs are incredibly juicy.
Time for the sweet and clear broth. Like if this makes you hungry.
Absolutely breathtaking. A generous garnish of fresh green herbs. This aroma is simply irresistible.
Finished with a touch of black pepper.
Subscribe for more authentic Vietnamese recipes.
Let us serve this right away.
Breakfast is ready.
This warm mushroom noodle soup is perfectly delicious.
Time to dig in.
Look at how bouncy these meatballs are.
The broth is incredibly sweet and natural.
The perfect bite of noodles.
So deeply satisfying. Mixing all the wonderful flavors together.
A bowl full of warmth and love.
Nature's beautiful textures. A wonderful morning to enjoy this.
I hope you try making this at home.
Thank you for joining our kitchen.
Do not forget to leave a comment below.
Have a wonderful, delicious day.
Cooked with love. Enjoy every single bite.
Simply gorgeous.
A true family favorite.
See you in our next cooking adventure.
Goodbye for now.
See you in the next journey.